we have learned words for A to M letters. Today we are going to do the textbook part. Let's go and see. So children, this is our textbook. Hop, skip and jump, senior KG, literacy, skills. This is your textbook. So let us see the page number which we are going to do today, which is page number 7. Let's see what is there in this. Alpha talk. We have discussed letters from A to M and the words related to that letters. Here what we have to do, he gave something here in Alpha talk. Let us read the thing which is there in the textbook first. Point your finger. Look at the picture. What he is asking? Look at the picture. Next, say the letter and the object. First, we have to see the picture and then we have to see the letter and the object. Here, for example, A for arrow. If you observe this page, children, here he gave some words. Let us see. Did you find this? What he is asking, did you find this? Here he gave some words related to the alphabet. Here he gave the pictures. So first we have to read this and then we have to find the object. Let's see the first one. A. A for arrow. First we finish the reading part. Then we will see what we have to do here. Okay. A for arrow. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for candle. C for candle. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for envelope. E for envelope. F for flame. F for flame. G for goat. G for goat. H for, how we have to read this? H. H for hut. H for hut. I for iron. I for iron. J for jug. J for jug. K for key. K for key. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for moon. M for moon. Where we see the moon? In the sky. And at what time? At night time, right? So we finish reading all the words here. What we have to do? We have to find those words in this picture. Let us see. First word is A for arrow. Let's find the arrow. Where it is? Where is arrow? Where is arrow? Here, here, here. Yes, it's here. You can see. This is arrow. A for arrow. Okay. A for arrow. Arrows are used for indicating directions. Okay. Next word is B for balloon. You all like balloons, right? You all know what is balloon. Let's find the balloon. Where is the balloon? Yes, where it is? Here we go. Here we have a pink and blue color balloon here. 3 colors are there in that. Pink, violet and blue. Right? Here we go. We have a balloon here. B for balloon. Next word is C for candle. C for candle. On birthday cake you will put candles, na? Where is the candle? Yes, here it is. It's smiling, see? Here it is a candle. C for candle. C for candle. Next word is D for dolphin. D for Dolphin. Where we see dolphins? In sea, right? Where is the dolphin? Here we go. The dolphin is here. D for dolphin. Repeat one more time. D for dolphin. Next word. Let us see the next word. E for envelope. E for envelope. Where is envelope? Here we go. Envelope. E for envelope. Repeat one more time. E for envelope. Let's see the next word. F for flame. F for flame. Let us see where is flame. Here we go. Flame. Flame is nothing but a fire, children. Okay. F for flame. F for flame. Next, see the next word. G for goat. G for goat. Goat gives meat, na? Where is the goat? Here we go. See, it is wearing clothes also. You can see now here. G for goat. G for goat. Repeat one more time. G for goat. Let us see one more. H for hut. H for hut. Most of the villages have huts, na? You have seen in villages, right? Here we go. Here it is. H for hut. H for hut. Let's see the next word. I for iron. When we will use iron? To iron clothes, right? You all have iron box in your home, right? Let's find iron where it is. Yes, here it is. I for iron. I for iron. Let's see the next word. J for jug. Jug is used for filling the water and we will drink water from this jug, right? J for jug. This is jug. Let's repeat one more time. J for jug. Next word. K for key. What is this? K for key. Key is used to lock the door, right? Here it is. The key. You all know the key, right? K for key. Repeat. K for key. Next word. L for lamp. Where is the lamp? We will put this lamp beside our bed, right? L for lamp. Say L for lamp. Let's see the moon. M for moon. M for moon. Where is the moon? Here we go. Moon is also smiling. See? M for moon. We will see this moon at night in the sky. Right? M for moon. So children, we have. Let's repeat all one more time. Okay? A for arrow. A for arrow. B for balloon. B for balloon. C for candle. C for candle. Next, D. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. D after which letter comes? E. E for envelope. E for envelope. Next, E after which letter comes? F. F for flame. F for flame. G for goat. G for goat. H for hut. H for hut. Next, I for iron. I for iron. J for jug. J for jug. K for key. K for key. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for moon. M for moon. So children, we have learned another words of A to M letters, right? So in the next session we are going to learn N to Z letters as well. So this is all for today. We will meet in the next session. Bye bye.